If you are facing issues with the front audio jack on your Windows computer, then don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the front audio port not working on Windows 10. Let's start with the first method, that is, check for disable front panel jack detection option. In the Windows search box, type Realtek Audio Console and click on it. In the next window, click on the connector settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Now select Disable Front Panel Jack Detection option. Now you can restart the computer and see if the front headphone jack not working on Windows 10 issue is fixed. Second method is set the required audio device as default. If the required audio device to the front audio jack is not set as default, you may encounter Windows 10 headphone jack not working. To fix it, right-click on the volume icon from the taskbar and select Sounds. Go to the Playback tab if you are connecting a headphone or speaker to the front audio jack and select Set as Default Device. After that, click on OK. If you connect to a microphone, then navigate to the Recording tab. Now check if the front audio jack not working problem is resolved. Last step is to update or reinstall your audio device driver. If you still face the issue, then you need to update or reinstall the audio device driver. Press Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Then type devmgmt.msc and hit Enter to open this program. In the Device Manager window, expand the Sound, Video and Game Controllers category, and then right-click on the Realtek Audio driver and select Update Driver. Select the Search Automatically for Updated Driver Software option and follow the on-screen instructions. But if you find manually checking and updating the drivers challenging and time-consuming, then try Advanced Driver Updater to update all the outdated drivers at once. Download and install Advanced Driver Updater. You can also use the link in the description below. Once launched, click on the Start Scan Now button. Wait for the scanning process to complete. Now it will show you a list of all the outdated drivers. Click the Update driver next to the driver you wish to update. You can update all outdated drivers at once by clicking the Update All button. Restart the system after updating the driver. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.